A1 English listening. Who is taller?
Hi, I'm Emmanuel. I am 28 years old. I am not married. I want to tell you about my family. There are 6 people in my family. My parents, my 3 siblings, and me. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. My sisters' names are Esther and Martha. Esther is 30 and Martha is 19. Esther is older than me and Martha is younger than me. I'm taller than my sisters, but Esther is shorter than Martha. My brother's name is Nelson. He is 15 years old. He is younger and shorter than me. My parents' names are Gabriel and Mercy. My father is older and taller than my mother. My father is taller than Nelson and me, but my sisters are taller than my mother. We all have our different personalities. My father is more sociable than my mother. Esther and Nelson are more talkative than me, but Martha is quieter than me. I have a great family, and I love them very much.